In this guide, we will look at how to use your appliance correctly to prevent damage from occurring to your clothes and the machine during the drying cycle. The capacity of your appliance will depend on the size of the drum. It's important never to overload the machine. Doing so will reduce the efficiency of your dryer, effectively using more power as your clothes may not be fully dry, resulting in the need to repeat the cycle. Overloading the machine places undue stress on the components and can significantly reduce the life of the product. To maximize the efficiency of your machine, it is important to distribute a heavy load over multiple wash cycles. Mix up your load in the drum to ensure the heavier garments don't gather on one side and unbalance your machine. This can cause it to stop mid-cycle. Before drying your clothes, ensure you check and follow the instructions on the label. Be sure to fasten any zips on your garments to prevent them snagging on other clothes and damaging the inside of your machine during the cycle. Ensure that pockets on jeans, jackets and trousers have been emptied before putting into the machine, as loose change and other debris can harm the drum and block the filter. Finally, turn your items inside out prior to drying, as this will protect them and help the colours last longer. Your garments have a care label advising of the appropriate heat setting for their type. The 3 care label symbols will be 2 dots for normal temperature, 1 for low temperature, and crossed out for clothing not suitable for tumble drying. Always follow these instructions to avoid ruining your clothes. Most dryers have a choice of heat setting, so take time to familiarize yourself with the programs to achieve the best results. Garments should always be spun dry before being placed inside a tumble dryer, as this will decrease the drying time considerably and ensure optimum results. Some tumble dryers have a refresh setting for removing creases from items which have been in storage for a long time. So to recap, do mix up clothes in your machine to balance the load, read the label before washing your garments, zip up jackets, empty all pockets, turn garments inside out, select the appropriate cycle for your clothes. Don't overload your machine. Place excessively wet garments in your tumble dryer. For more information, please refer to your user manual or visit www.bush-support.com.